Out of tissue paper? Here are 6 things you can use instead. Try using a decorative napkin. Peel off the inner layer. Overlap the napkins at a slight angle. Fold each side into the middle so the points are showing. Twist the bottom. Fluff the top like a bouquet of flowers. The napkin is easier to fluff because it's a little stiffer than tissue paper. There are so many amazing napkin designs you can use. It looks so pretty in the gift bag. Wait till you see the next hack. If you're out of tissue paper, try this coffee filter hack. Separate 7 coffee filters. Push a wooden skewer through the center of the coffee filter. Add glue to the skewer, fold up the coffee filter, and twist. Do this for all of the 7 filters. You can use hot glue or craft glue. After the last filter's on, do a final twist. Fluff up for a beautiful flower. I like to take leaves off a floral stem and push it through the skewer. This adds a nice decorative accent to the bottom of the flower. Place the flower into the gift bag for a beautiful filler. This is such a nice accent, you can use this even if you do have tissue paper. Here's how to make a wrapping paper fan for a gift bag. Cut a piece of wrapping paper and fold it in half. Cut the corners into a curved shape. Fold the paper accordion style. Tape the bottom and fan out. Turn up the bottom to secure the end. And hold together with a piece of tape. Separate the folds. Isn't that pretty? Place in the gift bag. It's so elegant. You won't believe the next hack. If you're out of tissue paper, use beautiful wired ribbon instead. Make loops and fold into the middle. Cinch the center to form a bow and secure with a twist tie. It's so easy to make a bow with a twist tie. Measure the lengths of the tails and cut into a V shape. This makes the ends of the ribbon look very pretty. Glue a decorative accent to the center of the bow. I like to use a mini ornament. Glue a paper straw to the back of the bow for stability. Fluff the bow and place it in the gift bag. Now you have a perfect giant bow. The gift bag filler can be an extra gift, like this cute Santa hat, and it looks great in the gift bag. You can also use a plushie instead of tissue paper, and it looks adorable in the gift bag. It's perfect for an extra gift. Click the link to see how to decorate the bag shown in this video. Subscribe for more DIYs. Thank you so much, and happy holidays. Bye!